So let's get right to the point. The title says it all. Today I'm unboxing a gray market EOS R. And why did I buy a gray market? Why am I taking a risk on buying something that is as expensive as the EOS R, paying about $1,000, if not $1,200 less? I ended up asking the seller where was it manufactured and where was it supposed to be sold, and he said Japan, and it was supposed to be sold in Europe. So we're gonna do the unboxing, see what it looks like.
I do like YouTube videos, I'm doing vlogs.
So one of the big reasons why I am buying an EOS R, and the whole reason why I started looking for a secondary camera, well, secondary that is to make the 7070 that I have right now as a secondary camera, is exactly this: to be able to have better vantage points to shoot with. Right now I'm shooting with my iPhone, and of course this angle here with my hands, that's the 7070. So that's the best I can do right now, and to have that second or even third option for a camera just makes your videos a little more dynamic, and that's what I'm going for. So without any further ado, let's actually get to the unboxing. Let's go. Starting with the mount adapter. This again is also reminding you from Japan. You even have a map here. So one of the things about buying in the gray market is your warranty is void, or at least Canon Canada won't take care of your warranty. Here is the adapter. I do not see any wear, especially around the silver plating. Well, silver, I mean, especially around the metallic plating. So this is the labeling you see, Canon Inc. and then made in Taiwan. So that's the adapter. Let's get to the main course. Here, of course, we have a box that has been damaged a bit, and you could see here too, pretty squashed in. So again, we have a bunch of Japanese writing here and Japanese warranty. So this is the battery charger, and it's weird because normally you would have the plug that could flip and then you could plug it into the outlet. This unfortunately seems like it doesn't, because it comes with a cord, a power cord. Power cord is done. Let's look at the battery. Now, Canon on their site has a whole way to verify whether the battery that you have purchased is actually a Canon manufactured battery. So moving forward, we have the USB-C to USB-C with the holder. So that's good to have. And let's start going through here. This is obviously the EOS R that comes with the kit lens. So we have the, I forgot what this is called, but it's basically to avoid having sun rays going through your shots, and the protective case for the lens itself. And of course the strap that I will not use. And now let's go to the final layer where all the glory is. So I'll start with the body here. There it is, the EOS R. Seems to be exactly as is. Screen is clean, which is important. Doesn't seem used. Again, looking at the metallic plating, very clean. It has the closed sensor. Yeah, so everything seems to be okay with the camera itself. And let's go to the lens here. So yeah, lens looks clean as well. Doesn't seem to have been used prior. So let's hook it up. Everything seems normal. Probably will need to charge the battery, so let's see. So I just put the battery to charge. It wasn't charged at all, and I hope it's the battery itself that's the issue and not the fact that the camera isn't working. If you have any advice, or if I'm correct or not correct, please write it in the comment section, and the more you know, hopefully we can help everyone else who is thinking about buying a gray market EOS R. Hey everybody, it is the next morning. What is up? And so without further ado, I really can't wait to test this camera. Let's switch the 7070 to the EOS R, and hopefully you can tell me the difference.
All I want is the perfect camera.
And there you have it. This is the EOS R right now. Because this is an APS-C sensor, there's a crop with the lens that you put on.
and being that I finally have a full frame, I had to move the camera a little closer to me because, well, I don't want you to see that I'm wearing pajamas. So before I leave, I'd just like to talk to you about my experience in discovering and buying a gray market camera. By doing further research about gray market camera products, I realized that they also call it international version. So whenever you see international version, don't be surprised that there's a great price point difference, which is usually that the international version is supposed to be much cheaper. And it came at a very discounted price. $1,200 is no cheap deal. That's a great deal of money that allows you to go ahead and buy another lens. Anyways, all this to say that I hope this video helps you decide whether a gray market camera at a discounted price is for you. What really matters is if you do have a camera like mine, the 77D, it is worth the upgrade to go to the R. And if you could do that at a discounted price, by all means, it served me well, and I hope this video kind of gives you the confidence and it will serve you well in turn. So with that said, I hope you stick around because with the new camera I have now, who knows what kind of new projects and adventures I'd like to embark on, and especially in combination with the Ronin S, I just can't wait to see what I can do with the EOS R. I've had projects such as hockey projects with the minor league association here in Montreal, in Laval that is, and I've had my job itself. I'm always constantly using these cameras. So for a guy like me, it is worth it, and you just have to ask yourself, is it worth it for yourself? And who knows what Canon is going to come up with within the next year or two. So I'd really say that it's a case-by-case scenario where you'd really have to determine for yourself if it's worth it. So I hope you like and subscribe this video, and thank you for watching.